Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to do a press-on nail tutorial. I can't remember when last I put press-ons, but I hope this video goes well. I hope you'll enjoy it. I hope your ladies don't bash me for my way of doing it. So enjoy. Bye. You'll be needing your nails. I'm using this kind like this. Not sure if you can see it, but yeah, this is it. I'll show you what the nails look like in a minute. We're using water to clean my nails and my hands, and we will be needing a big nail cutter to cut my nail. We'll be needing I'm not really sure what this is called, but it's to like remove all the dead skin on the cuticle. I will be using my cuticle oil. Don't know if you can see that. Using this glue, nail glue. I love this nail glue. This year I did not come with crazy glue people. I will be using my hand cream. Anyways, but if y'all don't see it, I'll put the names at the bottom in the description box. A file. This one is already old, but yes, I'll be using our hand soap. You like the little decoration I added? Curly ribbons, yeah. So let's begin. So first of all, I'm going to take the water and I'm going to put a little bit of soap in it. Come on. Oh, sorry. Let me put this properly. Not much, just a little bit. And then I'm gonna just, you can do one by one, or you can do it like all together, but I'm gonna do it just one by one, just like make sure my nails are clean. Look how big my hand looking through the little container, like, oh my gosh, this is ugly. It feels nice. I'm gonna take my rag and I'm gonna just wipe my fingers, wipe clean, and put it back. Putting it back. Putting it back. Okay, so that was it. Now we're gonna put the sizes. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. It has what to do on it. It has the paper, but since I already know, and this is not my first time using it, just gonna skip that. Skip it. It came to this baby. It does not have the glue. It's the first time I see it doesn't have the glue. But anyways. So guys, this is the nails. I'm not sure if you can see it. It's like plain, but it has like a nice design of glitter down here, but the glitter doesn't move, so that's all that matters. I don't want no glitter moving on my nails, but it's pretty nice and I love it. I love it. So there's like, yeah. So yeah, so now we're just going to size them. I like to start with my thumb as usual. And place it on a side. place it on the side. Yeah. Here. Place it on the side, baby. Okay, so continue doing that, and when you finish, you'll come back. That's the nails, guys. They look so dope, yo. I love them. Who with the glitter is like, put me on. Yes, guys, so that's the nails. 10 nails. Yes. Next, I'm gonna cut my nails itself. I love my nails, but oh well. Sorry. I'm cutting them really short. And my nails is black due to some dye in the braids, which I did not put, but I'm gonna do a video on that to let y'all know how my braids end up getting dyed. Soon, people, soon. But for now, let's just get my nails cut to put on these beautiful nails. Put on these beautiful nails. I know some people actually put in fake nails on top of long nails. So guys, my nails are cut. They look so tiny and cute. Yo, yes. So right now I'm gonna file the nail. Now don't file your nail too hard, but you just want to like move the shine on it so the nail can stick and last longer. Okay, if you don't want your nail to last, that's you, but I want my nail to last. So I'm gonna just like remove the shine of my nail. This does not take long, so do not be like, oh, that'll take too long. No, girl, that does not take long. Just file, okay? Next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna clean our cuticle and push it back. We're gonna clean it and push it back. Clean it and push it back. Okay, so let's start. You don't want to touch any part of your cuticle that has blood. Okay, where they has dead skin, that's where you want to go. Okay, so for example, just like there, see, whole skin, that's all you want to do. I like to start with my little finger, which I never can hold properly. She's so not skinny. She's so small. I can hardly hold her sometimes. So sorry if my hand all in the camera, but baby girl has given me so much trouble to clean her. Ooh. So much trouble to clean her that, you know, it's just like, but yeah, it's just trying to show y'all, just like that. And then take this end and just push your cuticle back. Okay, my darlings. Okay, just like that. You're not supposed to feel any type of pain when doing this. So if you are feeling pain, that means you are doing it totally wrong and you should correct yourself. Ain't nobody perfect, but don't harm yourself. Okay, darlings. Okay, beauties. So just like that. So I am done doing that. So now we're going to stick the nail. This is not crazy glue, and I know I used to do it with crazy glue. because my shit lasted longer with crazy glue. But it has a long time since I used this, so I am trying it again to see how long it will take. And I am doing the same method that when I use the crazy glue, moving the shine on my nails. So we're gonna time this baby. Oh gosh, this is a new glue and it's just like, oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna be right back because this is hard. So we're going to take a little bit of glue just at the top. Just at the top. You don't use much glue. Okay. And then just go from the starting and just slide it down. All the way down to your nail. Like this. And you gotta squeeze it. Squeeze the nail onto your nail. Squeeze it, squeeze it. You can count up to 10, up to 20, up to whatever, but just hold on to it as long as you want. Just make sure it's secure and all. I'm holding on to that like it's like I'm holding on for my life. No joke, people. No joke. Oh, look at this. This is amazing. So just taking the glue and putting the glue on. You don't want too much glue. Okay. This is the amount of glue you want. I'm not sure if you can see it. But yeah. Then flip it. Take it from up there and slide it all the way down. Just take a little time. And just hold it down there like I said, you can count up to 10, 20. Just hold it down as if you're holding it for your life. Okay, hold it down. Sorry about that, my mother eating. She's making a lot of noise. Why? Yes, people. So just squeeze. So we're just going to file now. Let me just show you like example with my thumb and my index finger. So what you do, you take it, don't file too rough because the nail's still drying. So just file very gentle, going this side, then you want to go that side, like this. See, like this. Okay. It got rhinestones on it, so kind of. So, like I said, index finger, take it like this, and just like that. Okay. I don't know how to like really show you on the camera, but yeah. Just don't do it too rough, because you don't want your nails to like fly whilst you're drying. So be very gentle. Be very gentle. So now we're going to oil our cuticle with our cuticle oil. I'm gonna leave the name at the bottom for y'all, but it came in a set. But yeah, not sure if you can see that. So it's pretty easy. I like to do them one by one. So yeah, just go like this, and just like that. Just go like this, then you know,
Yeah, positive like this. Okay. Yeah.
Just make sure you get in your cuticle. So now I got my cuticle oil on the nail. Now you have to massage it in
After having
like
in
this.
Gambia, Gambia has the festival
Just massage your cuticle.
on the 4th of April.
Listen, if you don't love yourself, who else will do it? You gotta love yourself. Treat yourself. Okay? Just massage it.
Put it by a promoter there. And then when I spoke with the promoter, he said that you can come across and be part of that. So also what they'll be doing for us, they'll also be promoting our coming up to Africa right from there. So that's a good vibe.
Okay.
You know, of the start.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Last step in my routine is my nail. My her nail. Me her nail. My hand cream. This is very good. Keeps your hands smooth and keeps it smelling amazing. You know. So I'm not going to put much. Just a little bit because it's already done. It's already done. So I'm gonna just close after. So I'm using this much. Okay. What you do, just rub it on your hand. Rub it in. So people, this is the finish. Look at those nails.
But it runs up to the 10th.
See that?
So we'll be having a whole week.
See that?
A whole week
Just, yeah. This is lit, people. Look at that girl. And I did not even do much. You see? Keep your hands looking this cute. Okay? My fingers even looking longer. Okay? So, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe because we'll be having other videos, other press on videos, other nail tutorials, challenges, and all this crazy stuff. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Bye guys. So guys, this is the nails. I love them so much. Like my new saying, I like it, like it, like it. I like it, like yo, it long, like my type of nails, not any Cardi B long freaking nails. No, no, but this nails. Oh yes, guys, this is the hairdo. It took me like a while to like achieve this donut, so I'ma leave it for a while because this braid is heavy and it may not do it. So yeah, so this is the hairstyle, and do expect a video on the different hairstyles that I do with my braids. I might not do a video doing each other because they like hard. So guys, it's like to do this in a video for y'all, it will be too much. So I'm gonna do a video with the different styles, showing the pictures and whatnot. And this is gonna be number one because baby, I love it. I don't know why my face looking so oily today, but anyways, bye guys. I love y'all. Be safe.